What's going on, everybody? Real quick before the video starts up, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so. Hit that subscribe button, especially if you enjoy my videos and like my channel. It would mean a lot to me. I'm trying to reach that 1,000 subscribers milestone, and with your help, I think that would be easily achievable, right? Thanks. What's going on, everybody? I'm Mel right here, and welcome to my channel. And today I got my little sidekick with me. This is my son Ramiz, and today we're actually gonna fly the DJI MAVIC AIR for the first time. Let's take it out for a spin. I'll let you know how it flies from a beginner's point of view, and we'll go from there. Hopefully I have a ton of more videos coming for you guys with the drone, so stay tuned. That is, guys, first time flying a drone. It was pretty easy considering I'm a beginner. The response time was really fast, and it didn't take me a long time to get used to it. I can't wait to do more videos for you guys, and yeah, just keep going with it, right? Please subscribe to the channel if you like this video, and stay tuned for more. Peace out.